Monday, September 19th. Just going to do a SPY opening video here real quickly just to show you how the market opened, what I see developing. This is the 15-minute bar. First bar actually moved up above the pre-market highs. The second bar looks like it's breaking to the upside. I do not trust this move right now for the reason that generally, even though we have a little green bar on the daily chart at the moment, we opened up near the lows, so we're not above the we didn't start above the midpoint of the prior day and head up to feel comfortable that you're going to take out that high. If anything, it's an inside bar. We started near the low of the day, and this little move up here is just an inside bar here. It's also an inside bar at the moment, as I discussed on the weekly chart, which I expect to go lower. So at this point, I would either play a failure to the downside, something that looks like it's going to take out the midpoint of that first bar and attack those lows and then attack the pre-market lows. Or the way to play this would be if it's going to be an up day of some kind where you really can take out the high of yesterday. If you really feel comfortable that this 15-minute chart's going to move up, for 2 or 3 bars, then I would say, okay, it's an up day to start. I would play the first pullback maybe to the midpoint of whatever this first move up is, and then a secondary push up. So if I really want to play the upside here, that it's going to take out that high, I'd have to see an opening price action kind of get up there first and then kind of just have an orderly pause to maybe to the midpoint of that first move up and then start up again. I would buy that, but I wouldn't buy it here. If anything, I'd go aggressively short, and buy puts right at this moment. So let's see what happens. But again, you got to cross below the midpoint of that first bar to really confirm the short. So any kind of failure up here that you decide to sell, make sure it heads down there. If not, get out quickly. And again, on the upside, I wouldn't play it at the moment just based on the fact that we're really not starting above the midpoint of the prior day. It's just an inside day that started near the bottom. So let's see what develops here. Again, the downside is still the bias at the moment.